am going to make sheer khurma. To make sheer khurma, I will need vermicelli, pistachios, almonds, cashews, dates, ghee, condensed milk, saffron and cardamom. Sheer khurma usually takes a lot of time to make, but I am going to make it using my quick and short recipe. First, I am going to add ghee to the pan. What will we do now? Once my ghee melts, I am going to add all my nuts. I want them to roast very slightly. First, I'll add my cashews, then my pistachios, and then my almonds. Once they become fragrant, I am going to add vermicelli. I am going to use pre-roasted vermicelli so that I don't have to cook it much. It's already smelling so good. I am going to add milk to it now. To this I am going to add a couple of cardamoms. I am going to let it simmer for a while. How long will it take? About 20 minutes. The vermicelli is now cooked through. Time to add condensed milk. I'll also add dates at this stage.
It smells so nice. May I stir it for a while?
Sure.
Thank you.
While this is simmering, I am going to add some warm milk to the saffron. It smells so good.
I can't wait to eat it.
That's it, it's done.
Wow, it's so simple and easy to make.
Time to plate it. Sheer khurma is my favorite thing on it. Try it.
Wow, it's yummy.
Eid Mubarak! subscribe my channel Tiffin Tales.